is Hernan from Stäk Glass. Today we're gonna talk about the Stäk Smart Lock. This is a new feature product that you can actually use it with your fingerprint, with your keypad, and with your key fob. So I'm gonna tell you how to configure this item. To access to the admin, you just unlock the pad, press start, press pound. It will ask you for the admin password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pound. Alright, so we're gonna set up the fingerprint. The fingerprint, you press pound, add a fingerprint, input a number, number 4, it's okay.
Press fingerprint. Please press again. Operate succeed. Press fingerprint.
Listo, operation succeed, that means input ID 5. You can actually do another fingerprint.
Press fingerprint. Please press again. Operate succeed. Press fingerprint.
Succeed, so it will keep going and going. We have already 6 fingerprints, so we're just gonna leave it like this. And done.
Add fingerprint.
Fingerprint added. Now we're gonna go to another feature.
Password setting.
Password setting. So this is the scroll up and down and password setting. You're just gonna put whatever the password you want to put. You press pound.
Set user password.
So set the password.
Input user password.
And let's put a password now. It is 7890. Confirm.
Please input again.
7890. Confirm.
Operate succeed. Set user password.
Operation succeed. So basically it's already set up the password. Now let's do another setting.
Password setting.
The IC cards.
Card setting.
IC cards. You press pound.
Red card.
Add the IC card. Let's say that this is not configured, but it already is. You just add it up.
Please swipe card.
Swipe card or this.
Card invalid.
Card invalid is because already it's configured. But this is how you configure any card, any commercial generic cards, okay? How do you make sure that this is configured the right way? Let's put a password. 7890 pound.
Lock open.
Locked open. Now, how do you close the door? You can either close it manually from the inside. All right, you just lock the latch. Very simple. Or actually you can configure it on the system that it can latch automatically by himself. So when the door opens and then gets to the receiver and it latches slowly and closes, look at this. Lock delay 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3.
Lock closed.
Voila, it's closed. All right, it's closed. All right, this is how it works. As far as the installation, it is a do-it-yourself product. You can actually install it left side or right side, inverting this piece in the back. You just invert it and you can use it in left swing or right swing. And also the system, you can install it on glass to glass, or you can also install it on a wall to glass or aluminum to glass, and it will do exactly the same feature. It will identify the product to make sure that the latches closes automatically. Very simple and easy, guys. I hope that you like this video and have a great day, okay?